Bounty Killers Barclays sold out concert ignite dancehall fans right across the globe. Wanna hear the good news? JUTC just received 30 new bus for help with transportation. But we did have transportation issue before? Wanna talk to me, let me know. People, wanna saddle up on body because come the 21st of July, no more paper. We're going electronic registration, fitness, and insurance. So all the people then when I say I ask the question, then what happen if I can't find this and what happen if my phone dead? Remember me tell them can scan the license plate and find all of them information. But we are gonna talk about it. All this and more on Sunday Night Lyme this Sunday at 8 p.m. So make sure you cook the dinner early and come join me because we're gonna talk about some more things like what's going on with the agency, yeah? And all the comments them. Come and know say it hot and in it But guess what? This Sunday we're gonna talk more, yeah? If you wanna come and join us, we're gonna be at Willie's Thatch Roof at 8 p.m. this Sunday. So join us.